Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Now I don't normally do a lot of decorating for Valentine's Day, but last week I repurposed a Halloween sign that I had from the dollar store and turned it into a very cute farmhouse decor. So if you missed that video, click on the link above and that will take you to the tutorial. Now today we're going to start making a series of Valentines since Valentine's Day is coming up fairly quickly. So even if you don't have a sweetie or a significant other, you can make Valentines for your coworkers, family, friends, or even your pets. So we're going to make a really easy side stepper Valentine today. All you need is some cardstock and some stickers, decorations from the Dollar Tree, ruler and pencil, pair of scissors, and I use a paper trimmer just because it makes it easier, but you really don't need one. So if you're ready to start making some Valentines, let's get started. So I am going to be using a paper cutter just to make it easier, but you can just measure with the ruler and cut with a pair of scissors. So I have 2 pieces of cardstock here. I used cream, but you can use white, any color that you like. And we're going to cut 2 pieces of the cardstock to 19.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters. And the other piece 22.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters. Now I'm going to have all of this in the description box below, so don't worry about having to remember all of the numbers. Once you have those 2 pieces cut out, overlap the short edges from each piece by about 1 centimeter, not very much. And I used some glue tape. You can buy this at the Dollar Tree, or you can get more expensive stuff at Michael's. You can also use a glue stick or some liquid glue as well. But you're just going to glue those 2 pieces together to make one long strip. So this paper trimmer that I got at Michael's actually has scoring edges in it as well. And scoring just means taking a blunt ruler or blunt edge and running it down your cardstock just to make it fold more crisply and easier. But you can just use a ruler and, like I said, a blunt end of a ruler or a blunt end of a pen, something like that that doesn't mark your paper, just to make the score lines. So putting the long end of the paper in, we're going to score at 3.5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters, 21 centimeters, and 30.5 centimeters. And again, I'll have this listed in the description box below. But we're basically just going to be making folds at these points. Once you have all of these lines scored, you're going to fold your card like an accordion, making sure that the smallest little portion is at the front. So we're just going to fold, and we can use our scoring tool or a ruler or your thumbnail just to really crease those folds and make them nice and sharp. So we're just going to fold one way, turn over, fold the other way, and it'll look like an accordion. Now we're going to need some pretty paper to decorate our Valentine. I got this package in one of my card making magazines, and it has stickers in it as well as pattern paper. But you can use any kind of paper that you like. You can get packages at the dollar store. You could even use wrapping paper. So we're going to need some pattern paper and some pretty pink cardstock to go underneath. The key to making your cards look professional is to layer. So make sure you note which part of the card you're going to actually put the paper on and measure out how big the rectangle is. Then subtract 1 centimeter from both sides. So if you have a 12 by 5 centimeter rectangle, you're going to cut out 11 by 4 of the cardstock and then subtract another centimeter, so 10 by 3 of the pattern paper, just so that it layers. now that we have our 3 pieces of cardstock and 3 pieces of pattern paper cut, we are going to glue them together. Again, using your glue tape or your glue stick. So we're just going to tape the pattern paper onto the cardstock and then tape that onto the front of each section of card. Finally, we're going to embellish the card, and I just picked up some pretty little flowers, Valentine stickers and whatnot from the Dollar Tree, and decorate as you like. If you enjoyed this Valentine making video, please give it a thumbs up, and in the comments section below, let me know what other types of cards you would like to see in future videos. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. And remember to share these videos with family and friends so that we can get to 100 subscribers. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.